Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to our rehab part 4. Today we're just gonna try and finish this awesome build.
Oh yeah,
right? So we're definitely ready to get this thing on the road. So we'll see what we can get done today. All right, hey guys. So this is the wheel lock right here. It's kind of different. I know. It looks kind of like a bolt. But
let me focus on that one.
Looks like a Torx bit almost. Right? Almost it does. Yeah. But anyways, we use this to remove the rims. We gotta get to the AC lines. So we can charge it up, and then we got to get the front one off as well, so we can get to the bleeder valve. Who tightened these? Hey, no, I'm loosening them, dude. What the heck, Daddy? Why would you tighten them so hard? Here.
Right here, the charger. I told you.
Oh shoot! What the hell? Why did they say it was on that side?
No, that's why I told you. That's over here. You know how I knew that? Look, when I checked the privacy, it has the pressure right here. Look, the pressure switch.
Yep, you're right. That's it.
You gotta just take the car apart. There you go. We got it.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah.
All right, we got it, man.
Right here.
Brake fluid, clutch. Look at this, dude. What is this? This is like a secret compartment for weed?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Well, let's look at that.
What?
Ooh, look at that cabin air filter. It's like a weed compartment, dude.
Coolant tank. If the cap has got a thermostat built into it, this has got a 16-pound thermostat, and if the coolant pressure ever gets higher than 16 pounds, it'll bleed out right here. So that's how you know it's a pressurized tank.
Folks, it's a mechanic's most important tool. Zip tie.
Ready for coolant. We're gonna use any kind. Whatever we have, 50-50 will work. Universal. Here, let's start up the car. I want to see it. Давай. Here, I want to start it and see if it takes it. You know, like the pump.
Hold on, I need to find that.
Make sure it does not shoot in your eye.
It's not. It's closed.
Oh, hold on. You pour into it. Hold on. We're not doing it right. Oh my goodness. Just stop, guys. Yeah, say no more.
Believe me, if this transmission clutch goes out, you know where she's going.
Somebody's gonna have a brand new. You know where it's going? It's going to the junkyard.
That's what I said. It's going for parts.
Oh, don't let me start on the engine. Serge, let me ask you, how did you end up in the whole, parting out cars?
I got tired of fixing them.
No, kept buying the bad ones.
Yeah.
The ones that's not that crap, yo.
Alright, so we're gonna do a vacuum test. Make sure that there's nothing leaking. We're gonna recover it before we do a vacuum test. And then we're gonna put Freon in it, and hopefully the AC works. So.
Are you getting the vacuum test done?
Yes, sir. Right now we're just doing recovery.
Nice, it's just draining the lungs.
Alright, so it recovered 0.12. That means there was pretty much nothing in the system. So we're gonna do a vacuum test. Now we're gonna do a vacuum. So vacuum takes about 15 minutes, and you want to check. These gauges and make sure that the pressures don't go up. As long as the pressures stay at 0 and they don't go up here, you should be good to go. I usually like when I'm filling them up for them to be around the 30 to 40 on the low and around 200 psi on the high. That's like ideal when we're going to charge up the AC.
Dang, son. Took everything out.
People are like, so what do you do to pass the time while the vacuum is performing? Oh, you know, just casually cleaning my exhaust.
With sulfuric acid, right? Wait,
The juice, bro.
what do you got there?
Right here, man, #1 cleaner in the USA.
Nice.
I'm hitting it.
All right.
Hey, do that.
No, vacuum is good. No leaks, no nothing. Now we're gonna charge the system.
Remember how much it was?
I'm gonna look it up. 1.38. So we're gonna charge it.
Okay, you got it? Yep.
Yep. Close. Everything's set.
It's taking it. Yep. See the pressure went to 0? Now it's gonna go up.
Show them right here.
It's telling us how much it's loading up so far.
Okay. Now,
Nice.
now we need to start the car. Start the car and see how much PSI we have in it. Eddie, you want to start the car? Yeah. I'm gonna turn the AC on and see where it's at. Usually you want it between 30 and 40 and 200 psi. I think it's on. I heard it come on. Alright, see? Alright, it's going between 30 and 40. We'd like to see. And then you want to see this one around 200 psi. This is an old machine, so it's not the best, but
It's slowly going up.
yeah, it's real. Top off? He's topping it off right now. Do they run the car when they do this or no?
Ready?
Or they just...
Slowly. Keep going faster.
Look at that. There we go.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna start up the car. Oh, there you go.
There it is. There it is. That's it. That's
Yes,
good.
it's pouring.
That's good. Now we're chilling. That's it. There's no air.
I don't like that, Serge. See, there was air right there. It just came right there. Is it warm water or cold? Cold water. Cold water, so that means it didn't even cycle through. Yo, hey, maybe when you press that headlight, you busted the radiator. Serge, admit it.
I will not admit that.
Okay, she's dripping from the top, guys. She's soaking wet. Look, oh, they did took them off. Look, we're gonna have to pull the Freon out. These were unhooked, so this thing, look. Dude, I'm telling you, they just tapped this in. They forgot to hook something up.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab Part 4. I think, maybe, right? Yeah. Anyways, this Lotus is driving us crazy, man. We keep running into problems, man. Today we're gonna take the front off and see what's going on with the coolant. So we have a serious radiator leak, maybe, or a coolant leak. Yeah. So today we're gonna tear into it and see what's going on with the front.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this off right now and I'm gonna swing the radiators like this, swing them. It will just swing and at least I can see before we start tearing into the...
Take this off. About the cheapest thing around. Your price on it is
This off.
11.
And that should disconnect.
It's 11.21.
You said the radiator is how much? $1,100?
Yes.
Yep.
Let's put this back.
Put it back
so we
away.
know, because there's too much bolts to remember. I know after tonight, I'm gonna forget half of the stuff.
We're just gonna rewatch our videos.
Yeah.
Know what you did?
No.
It's so dumb. Be like, just watch what we're doing, man.
Mad science is about to go
Why
bolt
don't you just get
test.
the air hose?
No, this is butter. Trey, this is butter.
Never. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. That's how you prepare.
Oh, you need to blow for that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
The
see right
bead.
there?
Yep, the whole bead right there.
Do it one more
Look,
time. Do it one more time. Do it one more time. That's pretty sick. Do it one more time so people can see how this works.
Side though.
Oh my gosh.
we already took the engine out of this car.
Oh yeah?
Dude, this
Dude, have you not
long
been
ride,
watching our
bro.
episodes, sir? Huh? You haven't subscribed yet? You haven't subscribed yet? What are you doing here, man? Go ahead and subscribe right now. There's the radiator, folks. We're gonna take it to a radiator shop and try and get it fixed and the gasket replaced and get it recrimped.
Yeah. So as y'all saw, unfortunately, we ran into a little pickle. The gasket, or where it's cramped at on the Lotus Evora, it's leaking, so we need a new radiator. Apparently, another common issue with these Lotuses, and no one has one in stock. I was hoping maybe we could get this one fixed, or rebuilt, or what they call it, but nope. I took it today, and that's a no-go. So I ordered a all aluminum today, and unfortunately, it's gonna be at least 2 weeks out. So as soon as it comes in, hopefully we'll put it together, and we'll start selling the rest of the car. So we'll see you guys next episode, and don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know if this audio is better, and if not, we're gonna try one more camera and audio setup. All right, thanks guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab Part 4. Is this Part 4? Hold on, let's redo this.
Part 4.
Is it? All right.